Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Machedo is the best.
Okay, I've got this. This one came in the parcel. I had to order this from overseas. I'm just opening this. So we open this and we see what it is. So this is what I got. Okay, get down, go, mommy. Okay. This is what it is. PlayStation. Okay, so I'll open it now. Okay, so let's see what it is.
No, before you buy later.
Yeah, that one was a cheaper one. This is the original from.
Want to play to ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, once I connect, there's game for children also.
Game เนี่ยคะ
Hey, wait, one minute. Can you hear that?
There is a problem.
Yeah, this is more strong.
Okay.
The wires. See, this is like a leather, it doesn't slip. So I'll connect from here and play there. See that one. Turn, show them that. I'll be playing there. Okay, so turn once again. Mortal Kombat. Okay. This is the first time I'm actually using it, so I'm not sure how this will work. I don't know which button I have to press. So let's see, Mortal Kombat. We'll put some volume. We'll go till, yeah, 90. Okay, 90. Okay, that's it. Look. Okay. See, and press any button. So now I'm going to try this one. I'm going to try this and see. Does it work? Oh, okay. Okay, so now this is activated. One player. Cancel out. Okay, accept. Single fight. Okay, I'll take. Which one you want? Annie?
Angry man. Angry guy.
Angry?
Yes, sir.
I don't know who's angry.
Look like devil.
This guy look like devil, right? This guy?
Yes, and I'm more. And then this one and maybe that look like a
Are you
PDF.
showing that? Yeah. This guy? Okay.
I like the very angry.
Very angry. Okay, so let's see. Okay, they are about to fight. So now you can show this and this and let's see. I've never used it. I have never used it, so I don't know what is what. I still have to memorize the keys. Okay.
Speak of it.
See. Yeah.
You will answer for my actions. We will see round 1.
Okay.
Fight.
Die. Vô đàn.
I'm there. Oh. Finish. Yeah. Die.
Haha, Woo win. You die.
No, I didn't die. I won. See. Okay, so now just try. Just try. Yeah. But move. You have to move something. You have to try. But move.
Who is me?
You're this guy. You're this guy.
Oh, that guy beat me so.
Yeah. So press all the button. Yeah.
Die chứ không?
This is your guy.
You have to tell me.
Yeah. So you press the button, no? Like you can press this,
Unless
this.
you want to try.
Okay, let her try. Press move up and down. Yeah. See, when you press up, the joystick, it jump up. Up. And then when you press down, it go down. Okay? You're learning. See, you're learning. So you move front, move back. Yeah. Oh, you died.
Who is me?
This guy is you.
Oh.
Brown guy, not white guy. Oh, now you're hitting him. Oh, very good. Now you get angry. Very good. Okay. Hit. He does this. This is for punch and kick. Not this guy. You are this guy. Next time I think I'll take a lady for you.
This one.
Yeah, this guy. Brown guy. Yeah. See, this is your life. His life is still hit. Yeah. Not just 2 buttons, 3, 4 buttons. Press all buttons. Yeah, even these two. See. But move also. Oh, you died.
I died.
Yeah. Good. So you get
I
experience.
don't know. You have to tell me, no?
Yeah, this even I don't know. I will learn. Okay?
Helen want to do.
Okay. You want to do?
อยากไหม She says she
Okay, she know. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
She says she afraid.
Okay.
Gloria
Chal.
is very afraid.
Ghost. Okay. Chal. So everyone tried in the family. Good.
She says she will die.
She will die. Okay. Fine.
She afraid to die.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. So let me just give you the feedback. Okay. See, the keys are. It's a good build. It's a good feel. That's why they charge a little bit more. I like the way the joystick moved. The joystick is pretty strong and robust. The buttons are pretty good, but I have to learn the moves. And there is connection to PS5, PC, and all of that. I still have to learn the functions. But overall, I think I made a good investment. This is not bad. I don't remember how much I paid. I'll put the pricing and links down. I don't have any affiliate links. They're not sponsored. This is just, me sharing my experience with this. So let me know if you have purchased the Qanba Titan. It's a good size. I think too big is not good also. So it's not too heavy and it's pretty good. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Good, bad, ugly. Share your tips. Samui signing off. Bye-bye.